Hi everybody, thank you for coming to our virtual story time for toddlers. I am Miss Mary Beth. I'm the librarian for kids and teens at the Skaneateles Library, and I like to start our story times with a little song called Open Shut Them. So just follow along and do what I do. Ready? Open shut them, open shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, crawl them, creep them, crawl them. Right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open wide your little mouth. Ah, but do not let them in. Walk them, walk them, walk them, walk them. Right down to your toes, toes, toes. Raise them to the sky. And touch them to your nose. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them just like this. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them. Blow a little kiss. Our book for today is called Little Blue Truck. The author is Alice Schertle. She wrote all of our words. And our illustrator is Jill McElmurray, and she drew all of our pictures. Let's get started. Horn went beep, engine purred. Friendliest sounds you've ever heard. Little blue truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said, croak, ribbit, and winked an eye when little blue truck went rolling by. Look at all those toads. Oh my goodness, there's an awful lot of them. Sheep said, baa. Cow said, boo. Oink, said a piggy. Beep, said Blue. They're all saying hello to each other. Cluck, said a chicken, and her chick went beep, 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 beep. Ma, said a goat. Blue said, beep. Neigh, said a horse. Quack, said a duck. Beep, said the friendly little blue truck. Honk, yelled a dump truck. Coming through. I've big, important things to do. I haven't got time with every duck along the way. It's not very nice. Vroom went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big, important wheels got stuck. Oh no. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Oh no, I wonder what's gonna happen. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared. Then into the mud, bump, 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 came the little blue truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. "Help, help, help," cried the little blue truck. "Beep, beep, beep. I'm stuck, I'm stuck." Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the little blue truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? Look at those big muscles on Toad. All together, 1, 2, 3. One last push and the trucks were free. Oh, look at all that mud everywhere. "Thanks, little brother," said the dump to Blue. "You helped me and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends." "Beep," said Blue. "Who wants a ride?" Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, ba, moo, cluck, cluck, beep, beep, beep. Neigh, croak, ma, said all the animals. Beep, 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 went little Blue. The end. I love all of the animal noises and the honks and the beeps in this book. Feel free to really be dramatic with those sounds when you're reading books to kids and have them jump in and do those sounds too. Because our book today was all about a blue truck that drives around some animals, I thought that we could do a very special Wheels on the Bus song. We're going to put some animals in our bus. So it's actually called the Seals on the Bus. So go ahead and sing along with me. Do what I do. It starts like this. The seals on the bus go erp, 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 erp. The seals on the bus go erp, 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 all around the town. Now we're going to have some sheep, and they're going to go ba. Are you ready? The sheep on the bus go ba, 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 ba. The sheep on the bus go ba, 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 all around the town. Next, we have some snakes. We're going to go hiss. The snakes on the bus go hiss, 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 hiss. The snakes on the bus go hiss, all through the town. Next, we're going to have some frogs on the bus, and they're going to jump up and say, ribbit, ribbit. The frogs on the bus go ribbit, 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 ribbit. The frogs on the bus go ribbit, 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 all through the town. Next, we're going to have some pigs on our bus. And they're going to go oink, oink, oink. Are you ready? The pigs on our bus go oink, 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 oink. The pigs on our bus go oink, 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 all through the town.
Next, we're going to have some skunks on our bus. And our skunks are going to spray their stinky, skunky smell just like this. All right, are you ready for those skunks? The skunks on the bus go. The skunks on the bus go all through the town. And there's some people on our bus, and after our skunk sprays their stinky smell, they're gonna go P-U. You can fan your face. P-U. Are you ready? The people on the bus go P-U, P-U, P-U. The people on the bus go P-U all through the town. If you are singing this along with your little one, you can put in any animal noises that you like. But I think it's always fun to end with the skunk and the people saying P-U. Have fun with it.
Story time is at an end, but we still have our goodbye song to sing. Are you ready? See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug. Give a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, big baboon. Out the door, dinosaur. Take care, polar bear. Wave goodbye, butterfly. Wave goodbye, butterfly. I miss all of you guys so much. If you would like to join any of our Zoom story times, we are doing them Tuesdays at 10:30 live via my living room. You can sign up at Scan Library, SKAN, library.org to get the Zoom link. I hope to see you all there. Bye-bye.